Welcome to A Beautiful Smile Dentistry. This is Dr. David Jin. Well, due to the recent events, the news media has constantly talked about the new CDC guidelines. But be understanding that our practice and most of the medical dental practices out there, we've been practicing something that's high and above what CDC guideline calls for. We practice something called universal precaution. Universal precaution is the way we set up the room for our next patient. And what does it mean is it requires about 15 minutes for us to turn a room over, so this way no bacteria or germ or virus is going to be transmitted to the next patient. Universal precaution also means how we sterilize our instruments. We make sure every single instrument goes through a sterilizer and it will not transmit any germs, bacteria, or virus to our next patient. Many patients might ask, what extra precaution have we taken because of the virus? Well, the true extra precaution that we really have taken is to actually inquire patients about their well-being. And we practice that not only to our patients, we exercise to all our staffs. My word to our staff is very simple. If you're not feeling well, call in sick and you are excused from coming to work. In addition to universal precaution, what we have done is we have taken away all the magazines from our reception area, so this way we could minimize your social contacts with other surfaces. And also we could create a bare surface so that we could easily clean the area and make sure that there is no germs, bacteria, or virus stagnant on it. Another precautionary practice we've been implemented in our offices is to spread out our schedules. This way, most patients are not staggered together and waiting in the reception area for an extended period of time. This will minimize the social contact among different patients. For those most vulnerable among us, our elderly patients, if you need to come in, please give us a call and we will make sure our staff is ready for you to minimize your other than necessary contacts with other folks around the office. So this way you could be seen and your problem could be taken care of with minimal disruptions. Well, one last thing I'd like to point out, because of the constant changes of the federal, state, and local government mandates, please call our office first before you actually come in for an appointment.